You can use Google Photos on your MacBook in a separate app-style window instead of opening it in a regular browser tab. Here's how to set it up. First, open Google Chrome on your Mac. You'll need to use Chrome for this process, as Safari does not provide the same installation option. Go to google.com and sign into your Google account. Next, click the Google Apps icon in the top right corner. Scroll through the available apps and select Photos. When Google Photos opens, click the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner of Chrome. Select Cast, Save, and Share, then click Install Google Photos. A confirmation window will appear. Click Install to continue. Google Photos will now launch in its own application window. You can close Google Chrome, and the Google Photos window will remain open. Whenever you want to use it again, open your Mac's Applications folder, or use Spotlight Search. Search for Google Photos, then click the app to launch it. You now have faster app-like access to Google Photos directly from your Mac.